Hello friends, all of us want to make our RCs feel as real as we can, and this sound kit definitely makes it more scale. So let's get started. Let me show you what we get in this sound engine. I had installed these things inside my JJRC Q64 truck. It has around 10 to 12 sounds as far as I know, but I'll show you the different sounds and different settings. Now this sound engine is again connected with two speakers through these two wires. Okay, one wire, so one connection goes to the receiver through this Y plug and another two goes to these two speakers. So I installed my two speakers inside this JJRC cable. This is the first speaker and there is another speaker here inside. And this is the second speaker. These two speakers are connected to this sound engine, and this sound engine in return is connected. This is a sound engine plug, this is ESC plug. Now together these are connected to the receiver. This sound engine is connected in a parallel connection along with ESC to the receiver. Let me show you different sound settings here. Two speakers are loud enough. You can actually use just one speaker as well. You can cut this wire and use two speakers whenever required, otherwise one speaker is enough. And this makes a growling sound. The speakers are awesome. Let me show you all the different sounds. So this is the first sound. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. This is eighth. Ninth. 10th. 11th. So as you can see, it has total of 10 different sound settings, which includes tractor sound, drift car sound, racing car sound, stadium truck sound. So basically it has all the combinations. The sound is very loud and clear. It has a brake sound as well. You know, when you suddenly put reverse, then it makes a brake sound. This is the minimum sound. Hope you got the idea of different sound settings. Let me know which sound you liked. That's it for today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep me get going. See you in my next video. Bye bye.